Hello everybody, welcome back to the Excel spreadsheet edition of credit repairs calculations. I was just finishing up inputting the months, the loan sum table of putting in the months of the year. And also we're nearly finished the payment schedule sheet. I just have to input the snowball, the monthly payments, and then pull in the end balance. And then I'll move on to the calculator sheet. So, how do we find the snowball? I'll show this to you now, and then you can be able to see how it goes. Simply an if statement. Now let's see what we get. €255. So that's our answer for the snowball. Okay, let's go with the auto loan. Hello guys, welcome back. The problem is solved. I managed to fix the problem that was going on with the months related to the monthly payment of the allowance and the cards. The problem is fixed. It's AR plus 23 plus BQ plus 23 plus BD 23. Okay, so now that's fixed. Let's do the end balance. Okay, now let's drag that all the way to the others. Okay, that's now officially payment schedule is finished. Yep. Hold on, I'm gonna copy this down. Okay, now let's move on to the calculator sheet. Now what I need to do first is to calculate the interest only to the creditor information table. relate to the creditors, the balance, the rate, the payment, the customer, and reduce to equals round up. Offset. Row. Set. Offset again. I get an accurate answer when I press enter. This is the card number 2. That earns €101.25 for interest only. The lowest is auto loan number 1. It only earns €26.16. Okay, now it's going to move on to the totals. So it goes sum C8 C17. And the same with E8 as well. E8 or E17 for payments. Okay, let's do the initial snowball. The if state included. Okay, €0 for the initial snowball. Here I can choose a strategy, which I calculate back in the payment schedule, which is here. I change this to average highest interest first. And that changes. I think the payment schedule changes too. The snowball mostly stays the same, so does the others. Okay, I'm gonna go back and select snowball lowest balance first. Okay, let's go into the last section. One more calculation left. It is total interest paid. So equals payment schedule is €7,590.13. So that's excellent. And that's the snowball growth chart that will come into the coming years for Andrew's IT supply expert, which is the logo and the payment schedule sheet here. I designed and created that logo on Microsoft on Paint, where I previously designed and created economic diagrams. So excellent. It's very handy to use Paint. You can literally design anything you want in your own business logo if you need to create it from scratch. There's a web page where you can be able to learn more about debt reduction calculators. The web link is here. To list more creditors, you can get the extended version available on the debt reduction calculator web page. Let's click on it. Debt snowball calculator. How fast can I get out of debt? Just say how much you can save in your investments, how it helps you in your debt reduction calculator. And it's telling you getting out of debt is not easy, but it's true. And it comes up with a good plan. Then here's a solution YouTube video, 5 minutes and 17 seconds. How to pay off your debts using Microsoft Excel. I watched it and I find that very interesting myself. Here you can download it. If you want to download it and save your time designing the whole sheet, which I didn't do, I designed my sheet from scratch. I've done my own calculations, which is very good. And there's the thing that's extended version, that's not free. It's $10. The same for orange, which is €10. Yeah, so if you want to go to this, know more about the debt reduction calc, just go to vertex42.ie and go to debt reduction calculator.html. Yeah, exit this. Okay, now, before I close this up, I also have my own comments that I also added into this spreadsheet in similar tables. I'll read the first one. Yep, commented by myself that I added into the new comments. The date, record the date that I entered in creator information, and I say this is by my own permission, enforce payment in the payment schedule, and enforce in the all at once in the payment schedule assumes all payments are made in the first day of the month. Then my next comment is the current balance. My next comment is the annual interest rate. This was most recent. I added these comments to today. News 2, I did a custom criteria. Current interest only payments, monthly payments, initial snowball, extra payments. If you want to add do your own comments, just go to comment, click on comments in the home tab and then click new. Once you're finishing typing in your comments, just click on the right arrow and she'll publish for you. Then your comments, your name and your logo and your text will be added inside the comments. So yeah, that is it. That is the end of this calculation of credit repairs. That website helped me a lot through how to design, how to calculate the figures in this spreadsheet, in the payment schedule and the calculator. So thank you all for watching this. It has been a great pleasure for me to show my skills and help you out if you wanted to figure out how to design credit repairs. So have a good evening and have a good day. Adios.